Hello everyone. So my hair looks a little bit crazy right now because I just got a phone call from the furniture. Okay, I should back up a little bit. I've been wanting to buy new furniture. I've had this furniture in the background, as you can see, since I was 15. I'm 28 now, so it's like more than 10 years. And today in the morning, they said that the bed is ready for it to be shipped here. So I want to show you guys a quick overview of my bed, of how it used to look. For the furniture, I bought the bed, the nightstand, and the dresser. For some reason, they're low in stock or they're out of shipment, so the dresser and the nightstand, it's gonna be shipped later on. I'm like, it's fine, I don't mind. I honestly don't mind. And so today my bed is being shipped today and I'm so excited. So I'm gonna show you guys an overview of how it looks. Excuse the mess. Okay, so this is how my bed looks. It's been through some stuff, you know. It's over like there's some scratches here, some scratches here, some discoloration. So this is how it looks. So yes, and I originally have a queen. I downsized or bought a full bed, a lot smaller, because my room is pretty tiny. So I figured if I buy a full bed, my room will look bigger. So yes, and I'm gonna start cleaning up because at 12:30 I start work, and so I'm not gonna be here when they ship it because I work 12:30 to 9 today. And so I'm going to try to clean up some stuff. I'm not gonna film it because I just want to get it done. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna start cleaning up and I'm gonna start putting stuff away. I don't even know where to put it. I think I'm gonna put it in my sister's room. I hope she doesn't get mad. Got my trash bag and I pulled out all the stuff that's under there. It's so messy. Oh, this is not gonna fit. Oh, it's so pretty. I like it. It's nice. I'm so happy. It looks pretty. If you want to film the bed. Okay, everyone, so I'm gonna start removing the stuff inside here. Basically, my room is a mess and I need to start cleaning little by little. So I don't know when they're gonna bring the dresser and the nightstand. But just in case they bring it unexpectedly like they did last time, or like they did when they brought the bed, I'm going to start removing a few items in my nightstand so I could already get ready. They said it's gonna take like 10 weeks, so like maybe mid-October. Hopefully they bring it early, but like whatever, as long as they bring it, and that's fine. So yeah, I'm gonna remove some stuff and yeah. Oh my god, that's so much. Okay. Okay, so I was gonna film this side, but the lighting's kind of sucked. The lighting is better when it's like hitting towards me. So I have a bag, and I'm gonna put all the stuff that were in that drawer in this bag. And I saw a few things that I'm gonna throw away that I don't really like care. So yes. I also don't want to put like my stuff in the bag because I'm afraid it might get ruined. I don't know, I'll think about it. I'll figure out what I should put in here and not in here. Okay. So like this picture frame, I'm just gonna throw it away. I don't care about it anymore. I have a lot of used notebooks that I've been using throughout the years. And I'm gonna put it in the bag. I don't want to throw it away because, you know, it has memory, you know? I need to look through these pictures and see if I like anything. Yeah, more of them. And this was Britney Spears notebook. Like it was like by Britney Spears Circus, and like I put a lot of stickers. MySpace, you guys. What? I remember when I was like in middle school, and I really so I did like little wish lists, but not like just writing it. I like printed it out, and it's fun to see what I liked, what I wanted when I was like at a certain age. And so this is all I wanted when I was in middle school. Isn't that so cute? And some of them I own, like Mew Mew Power, Zodiac PI. No, I think that's it. And then Love Master. And I've read a few of them too, but I didn't buy it. So yeah, nice memories. So yeah, I'm not throwing this away. I have a lot of electronics that I do not want to put in the bag, so I'll just put it maybe like right here or something, just temporary. So this is currently my mess at the moment. I'm just putting my notebooks in here. Oh, a picture of me. I don't know if I should throw away these the frames and the picture frames and like put the pictures in like a book. I don't know. And then so far I have this mess. I'm just gonna put everything on the bed. And then I most likely will put it on my desk. There's a lot of space. Yeah, it's nice. It's spacious. Alright. Okay, everyone. So finally the day has come and my furniture has arrived. As you... Huh? Oh, and it is Christmas Eve. So I am so happy. So here's my furniture. Here's a... What is it called? The dresser. I love that there's smaller spots where I could put my jewelry in there. So when I have more time, maybe tomorrow, I'm gonna remove that and start organizing it in the drawers. So they came like at 8:50. It was so early. But here's my other furniture. It's my nightstand. I only bought one because my bookshelf is here. It's a little bit messy. I still need to organize, and today we have a party at our house, and so much to do. And here is my old drawer. As you can see, there's like mess everywhere. And here's my nightstand. But yes, I'm gonna start putting my clothes back in the drawers. So yeah, let's begin. So I know I said that I was gonna put my clothes first, but I was really excited and I just started putting all my items in my nightstand. I have all my tarot and oracle cards, my books and journal, my tissue, my Bible, my items for my cameras and stuff. Okay, so it is a couple of days later. It's the 26th. So we have organized a little bit of the stuff and I want to show you. So basically we removed a lot of the items here. I used to have this big bulky jewelry box here, but we moved it. I bought this at TJ Maxx and I put all of them here. And I put all my clips here and my cases. So it's a lot more cleaner and like spacious. Oh, and this, I don't know if I told you, but this mirror I got at TJ Maxx as well. It was like $59.99 or $49.99 or $49.99. It was a really good price. And then I bought this at TJ Maxx and also this at TJ Maxx. So it's a really, I think it looks nice. It's simple. I feel like there's still a lot of stuff, but this is nice. Oh, and I also bought these dividers at TJ Maxx and I put all my items here. And yeah, I like it. Yeah, that's mostly all the items that these were mostly all the items that were here too. Had a lot of stuff. And so here's like a bag of stuff I'm donating, and then the recycle. So yes, I still have a lot to do, but you know, slowly but surely, slowly but surely it's still starting to look nice. I'm really happy. I'm really excited for it.